Soft American accent voiceover, and here we go. Countdown from 10 to 1. Every spot with gorgeous 4K aerials and a fun activity to try. I've been dreaming about Strasbourg for years, and today I'm finally sharing the best of the city. From a bird's eye view down to the cobbles under your feet. Sweeping 4K aerial map tees of Strasbourg, zooming in. I want you to feel the way I felt the first time I saw those half-timbered houses. The river glassing the city. The cathedral spire piercing the sky. This isn't just a highlight reel. It's a plan you can use on your next trip. Made to be replayed while you map your route and daydream about coffee on a riverside terrace. We're counting down 10 unforgettable spots that will help you fall in love with Strasbourg fast. Stick around for a final mapped route connecting all 10 spots, perfect for your own walking or biking loop. Place Kleber is the heartbeat of Strasbourg. It's the ideal place to begin our route. I always start here when I want to get my bearings. It's dominated by the statue of General Kleber. From above, the square reads like a compass. On the ground, it's prime people watching. Students, locals with shopping bags, impromptu musicians. Start a walking tour here to thread the city's highlights without backtracking. In winter, the Christmas market spills into adjacent streets. In summer, bring a pastry and sit a while. It's a functional transit hub and a calm first stop after a flight or train. Activity tip: spend 10 minutes here, orient, people watch, grab coffee, then head toward the cathedral. La Petite France feels like a page ripped from a storybook. I can't help but smile when I wander its cobbled lanes and canals. Follow the bridges and the reflections that paint the facades on water. Best activity: linger canal side, coffee or a light lunch, and photograph every bridge you cross. For filmmakers, drop low with a close aerial, then cut to canal-level shots for intimacy. Slow-motion boats under narrow bridges sell the romance. Timing: early morning for soft light or dusk for golden hour glow. Look for lived-in details: bakers' bikes, carved beams, medieval rooflines. Sit on a bench, watch the water, and let small moments find you. Activity tip: browse artisan shops for handmade keepsakes, then loop back along the quay. Cathedral Notre Dame is the crown jewel of Strasbourg. Every corner reveal still gives me a thrill. The Gothic facade, the rose windows, architectural drama up close and from afar. Inside, light filters through stained glass. Move the camera slowly, reverently. Must do. Climb the tower. Narrow steps, rising anticipation. At the top, the city opens beneath you. Don't miss the astronomical clock. Art, science, and history in motion. Time your visit for a service, organ or choir. The acoustics breathe new life into the stones. Catch it in different light. Soft morning shadows, late afternoon gold. Practical tip: buy tower tickets ahead, check hours. Allow time for the clock display. Photography: bring a low-light lens inside and a wide lens for the panorama. Pair the cathedral with a stroll to Palais Rohan and the river just beyond. I always take one last look back. Palais Rohan sits like a stately companion to the cathedral in one of Strasbourg's prettiest river settings. 3 museums, fine arts, decorative arts, and archaeology, offer different slices of history. Pick one to dive into rather than rushing all 3. Activity pairing: museum visit plus a riverside stroll or mini picnic. Families: the archaeology collection often clicks with kids. Even if you skip the museums, the exterior and river walk reward photography. Check rotating exhibits and allow 60-90 minutes for a meaningful visit. From here, the river becomes our thread. Time to see Strasbourg from the water. Filming tip: circle the palace, then glide toward the river for a seamless transition. Take a breath. The perspective shift is worth it. One of the most relaxing ways to see Strasbourg is from the water. A Batorama-style tour turns the city into a moving postcard. Bridges glide by, facades slide into view. Take a sunset or evening tour if you can. Reflections double the magic. Day tours bring great stories. Commentary is often multilingual and weather protected. Film wide, medium, and close, and let light play across the river. It's a low-effort way to cover lots of ground and rest your feet. Bring a camera and a light jacket. Evenings can be cool but unforgettable. Activity tip: book a late afternoon cruise, then head to La Petite France or near the cathedral for dinner. Barrage Vauban and the Ponts Couverts are Strasbourg's classic skyline frames. Head up to the terrace for one of the best views of the cathedral and canals. Activity tip: walk the length for multiple compositions, arches, towers, and reflections. Time your visit for golden hour. Boats and light layer beautifully. Photographers, try long exposures for silky water and glowing towers. A short read of the site's history adds context to your frames. These landmarks help you visualize how the river stitches the city. Wrap with a simple picnic by the water. Strasbourg at its calmest. Parc de l'Orangerie is Strasbourg's green escape. Look up for storks, a local icon. Activity tip: rent a rowboat or pack a picnic under the trees. Great for a mid-route reset, jog, cycle, or just breathe. Timing: early morning tranquility or late day glow before dinner. From here, it's a short hop to the European Quarter. The European Parliament anchors Strasbourg's modern face. Activity tip: take the tram out and walk a short loop among striking architecture. Film reflections, glass and water mirror each other beautifully. Check the visitor center schedule for exhibits and guided insights. Rent a bike to link the European Quarter back to the parks and Old Town. The contrast with the Old City makes both shine. The Musée Alsatian brings Alsatian everyday life into focus. Activity tip: slow your pace. Look for textures, patterns, and craft. Photograph details that echo what you've seen in the streets. Families will find hands-on corners to keep kids curious. Wrap with a tasting of tarte flambée nearby. Classic, shareable, delicious. It's culture at a human scale, right inside the Old Town. At number 1, Place de la République and the Neustadt. Grand boulevards and empire-scale symmetry. Activity tip: do a slow architectural lap and frame symmetrical shots from the lawns. Link this square to the river for a complete old meets new narrative. Here's your route. Start at Kléber, loop clockwise through Petite France, Cathedral, Palais Rohan, River Cruise, Vauban, Orangerie, European Quarter, Musée Alsacien, finish in the Neustadt. Gorgeous aerials, easy walks, and a few perfect pauses. That's Strasbourg at its best. Save this for your trip, and I'll see you on the next city from above.